What's up, YouTube? So we got a customer with some light collision work. We're gonna take the headlight assembly out, replace this. We're gonna replace the fender, and then we sublet it for paint work. It's a shame. Yeah, so we do some light collision work here. I've done rad supports and frame pulls, a bunch of other stuff. But this should go fairly well. It looks like the fender just stretched over. Hopefully the rail up here isn't bent out. And then we're going to have some sort of fit parts, aftermarket parts, sort of fit, to put it back together with.